Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable and use Windows Media Player in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin using Windows Media Player on your Windows 11 system, the first step is to enable it through the Windows Features settings. Start by navigating to the search bar located in your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Type Windows Features into the search box. You should see an option appear under Best Match titled Turn Windows Features On or Off. Click on this option. This action will open a new window displaying a list of Windows features. Scroll through the list and locate Media Features. Click the small plus icon next to it to expand the section. You will then see an option labeled Windows Media Player Legacy. Place a checkmark in the box next to this option. Finally, click the OK button to apply the changes. Windows will now proceed to enable Windows Media Player. Once the process is complete, you can find Windows Media Player by returning to the search bar and typing Windows Media Player. It should now appear as Windows Media Player Legacy. Click on it to open the application and begin playing your audio files. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.